In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record a clip directly inside ClickUp. This feature is great for quick walkthroughs, task explanations, or sharing updates with your team. Stay until the end to make your screen recordings even clearer. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your tasks are. Choose the space where you want to use the record clip feature. This keeps your clips organized within your projects. You'll see a video camera icon at the top right corner. Just click it to start setting up your recording. This will open the clip recording menu. Now adjust the options you prefer for what screen you want to record, like your entire screen, a specific window, or your current browser tab. For this video, I'll choose to record the entire screen. For the microphone option, you can pick what you prefer. In this example, I'll choose no microphone, but you can turn yours on if you want to record your voice. After you finish all your settings, just click Record Clip and your screen recording will start right away. And that's how you record a clip in ClickUp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy ClickUp tutorials. See you next time!